crown of the head, the hips are going down. And that's giving almost a sensation of decompressing your spine here. Bring your hands down, lift the hips up just a bit. We'll take a big step of the left foot back. Heel toe your right foot out to the left. Drop the back knee. We're coming into lizard lunge. So I like to take my time here a little bit as we go lower to the ground. We want to hold the stretches a little bit longer. You can, of course, use your block here underneath your forearms or bring your forearms all the way down. And similar in that yogi squat, I want that sensation of a long spine here. Good, deep breaths. And just be in this pose. Give yourself a few moments as you inhale and exhale to release and let the tension go.
My heart quietly says yes. If you come close, slowly everything opens up, yes. This heart beats only with your name.
Inhale, walk the hands up, and we'll heel toe the right foot over to the left, setting up for a pigeon prep. If this bothers your knee or hips, you can do this on your back by taking a figure 4.